In this lecture, we are going to talk about the so-called type comparison operator. This is what we have been talking about, that the type comparison operator is also known as the instance of operator, and it is used to test whether the given object is an instance of a given type or not. So for example, if we have a class, for example, cat, we have a class dog, we have another class, for example, animal, and the cat is going to extend the animal class. Okay, then we can check in the main method that first of all we instantiate a new cat, then we instantiate a new dog. Then now we can check that whether the cat is an instance of the animal class or not. So because the cat, sorry for that typo, of course the cat is an instance of an animal class. If it is true, then cat is an animal. If we save it and run it, cat is an animal, it is true because the cat class extends the animal class as well. So a cat is an animal basically, and this is why we can check whether the cat is an instance of an animal. If we would like to do the same with dog, then we get a compile time error, which means that we are not able to run the application. As you can see, because the dog is not an animal, so the dog class doesn't extend the animal class. This is why it's going to be an incompatible conditional operand types dog and animal. Of course, we can do the same with interfaces. So if we have a interface, for example, mammals, then the cat is going to implement the mammals interface. Okay, maybe it's not the best solution to use mammals. It should be something like just a mammal. Okay, let's finish it. And because a cat implements the mammal interface, we can use again the instance of operator. So cat is the instance of the mammal, whether it is true or not. As you can see, it is true. So we can say that cat is a mammal. So if we save and run it, of course, it's going to run without any issue. So this is how we can use the instance of operator in order to check whether a given class implements or extends a given class or an interface. Thanks for watching.